A new Tesla Cybertruck has been spotted in the open, and this model is sparking much discussion. Every time a new Cybertruck is found in the wild, Tesla owners, investors, and enthusiasts start investigating what's new, what hasn't, and what has changed. Welcome to Elon Musk Center, the one-stop channel to get updated on even the first thoughts of Elon Musk. One of the world's most eagerly anticipated electric vehicles is the Tesla Cybertruck. After a lengthy delay, production of the Cybertruck has been expected to start in the middle of 2023. A new prototype of the all-electric pickup truck has been sighted before it goes into production, which differs from the others. The latest model appears smaller and has somewhat less ground clearance. As the truck moves forward, starting production later this summer, sightings of Tesla Cybertrucks are still being reported. The all-electric truck appears smaller than ever in most recent sighting and has a sizable windscreen wiper. A user of Cybertruck's Facebook fan page saw and tweeted about the most recent sighting of the vehicle. Although this Cybertruck is smaller than earlier models, the camera position also distorts the overall measurements. Although it's unknown if this is the same Cybertruck observed in Palo Alto at the beginning of February, it does have the same side mirror design and appears to have some wear. Although the most current estimate puts Cybertruck's production in early 2023, there's still a chance it will make its debut this year. Tesla genuinely wants to launch Cybertruck production, yet development on the electric pickup is still going strong, as evidenced by this nearly production-ready prototype captured on camera by a Tesla employee. This Cybertruck's enormous front wiper looks to be based on the design that CEO Elon Musk stated wouldn't be used on the finished product. It extends the full height of the windscreen. Before the pickup's production started later, Tesla continued to conduct what happened before routine testing of the vehicle on public roads. In December of 2021, Musk declared that Tesla would forego the bulky wiper design in favor of a more streamlined one for its final production model. The business has settled on a final design for the Cybertruck, according to Tesla chief vehicle engineer Franz von Holzhausen, who recently said it's what bothers him most. However, one could argue that what has recently been seen may differ from what Tesla will produce in the Gigafactory in Texas later this year. We all assume that the final design is sound because Musk described the Tesla Cybertruck production beta version as amazing a few weeks ago. Tesla has, however, only made hints and teases about what the vehicle's ultimate production version would look like since it was shown in 2019. Musk said it would be about 3% smaller than the Tesla model presented in Hawthorne 4 years ago. Volume manufacturing is not expected to start until 2024, but few production vehicles, however, are anticipated to leave Giga Texas. Although the vehicle may be slightly smaller than the model Tesla first unveiled, there are rumors that the marker may offer two models of the Cybertruck. Perhaps Tesla decided against it and instead produced only one Cybertruck, which is smaller than the study but also isn't 20% smaller than the rumor suggested. The front end of the Tesla may have been shrunk, which would have made the windscreen larger. There are no means to access the trunk, but the car will undoubtedly have one. The entire front end may lift out of the way, light bar and all, a clamshell design, which is likely the only option. Although we can't quite make out the seams where the entrance is in the image posted to the Cybertruck Owners Club forum, it must be opened in some way. The front bumper opening on this Cybertruck is likewise bigger, and the bumper seems bigger and lower than before. Although we can't exactly see how much quieter the bumper is, this helps with the vehicle's aerodynamic credentials and likely limits its off-road approach angle. It also lacks any form of visible door handles, despite some earlier prototypes having them. Although the initial research contained some flush door handles that protruded when the car was unlocked, it appears Tesla has abandoned that design entirely, substantiating the speculations that first led to this announcement. We don't know the size of the wheels because the tires don't appear to be 35 inches, so we speculate that they might be around 33 inches. The wheels could be the ones offered with the car, but they will undoubtedly get some aero cover to complement the car's design. Before getting into further specifications of the Tesla Cybertruck, subscribe to Elon Musk Center and also enable the bell icon. Recently, a new video of Tesla testing the eagerly anticipated Cybertruck surfaced. Sightings show that despite numerous launch time delays, the truck is finally starting to be produced. Flavio Tronzano observed the car in its most recent form when it was making rounds close to the company's Palo Alto offices. Although it's unclear which model of the electric car was on the road, it did have a small, triangular-shaped side mirrors consistent with the electric truck's angular design trend. The vehicle may be a part of Tesla's beta program, which is closer to the final product and whose batches are expected to be delivered in the summer, according to Inside EVs. Such mirrors have never before been observed on a Cybertruck, and they have only taken place to store-bought mirrors that were previously observed. The truck's redesign can be related to its upcoming production because rear-view mirrors are now required by law in the US as standard equipment for all vehicles. Tesla initially planned to use cameras in the center display to provide a rearward feed. The most recent version of the Cybertruck also features a retractable flatbed cover for the first time, indicating that full-scale production of this model is soon to follow. The truck's initial release date was set for 2021 when it was first revealed in 2019. Tesla has missed numerous launch deadlines over the past 4 years, but it recently announced that the Cybertruck would start leaving the Austin, Texas Gigafactory this summer. Musk acknowledged that mass production won't start until 2023. Tesla notified us that it has begun setting up the required tools for building the car, including the castings needed to shape the truck's body panels. It commonly accepted that Tesla's inability to create its new 4,680 cell battery pack in time, which is necessary to give the Cybertruck a 610-mile or 980+ kilometer range, which caused the truck's introduction to be delayed. The faster truck model claims to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds and has a top speed of 130 miles per hour or 209 kilometers per hour. Tesla is anticipated to set the vehicle's starting price at $40,000. The Cybertruck seems smaller and closer to the ground than the other trucks we've seen, although this is probably just a trick of the eyes caused by the narrow image and the angle. Although it's a new Cybertruck prototype, other, more recent ones don't have the larger wiper blade Musk claimed would be removed. To cap things off, the lighting and front end have been updated. We've received comments concerning new versus old prototypes, original and alpha versus beta prototypes, production intent versus production ready, etc. It's vital to recognize all of this. Most of the time, individuals attempt to make sense of everything and aren't sure what they're seeing or talking about. It's all just conjecture until Tesla validates anything. What's the purpose of Tesla's test of a LiDAR-equipped Cybertruck? Many distinct Cybertruck prototypes are currently being tested by Tesla in preparation for full-scale manufacturing later this summer. Last week, large new LiDAR sensors were seen mounted to the front of a Cybertruck and a Tesla Semi prototype in California. But we anticipate something other than LiDAR on the production model. In 2021, for self-driving, autopilot and other functions, Tesla will abandon LiDAR or light detection and range sensors in favor of its camera systems and Tesla Vision technology. So why is Tesla using the Cybertruck and Semi to test LiDAR sensors? The carmaker tests and evaluates its technology regularly and uses the results to fine-tune any sensors, sonar, and radar systems for forthcoming automobiles. Why did Tesla stop using LiDAR given how well it performed? Information about Tesla's new HD radar system and patent, which might be used to add new high-definition radar to its forthcoming vehicles, surfaced late last year. We know the firm is preparing to release its new self-driving computers, or HW 4.0, and that a revamped Model 3 may be unveiled very soon. Both may be present in the upcoming Model 3. These LiDAR-equipped prototypes are likely nothing more than Tesla's ongoing testing phase for current and future electric vehicles. The Cybertruck, in its most recent appearance, might be a new beta prototype. According to Musk, it has brand new trapezoidal side mirrors, which the owner can remove. Moreover, it has a new light bar configuration that resembles the initial release. What are your views on Tesla's Cybertruck? Let us know down in the comment section below, and subscribe to Elon Musk Center for more interesting content just like this. Check out other videos on our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.